Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we will be providing you with a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from your Revolut account to the Binance platform directly from the Revolut application. Please follow the instructions carefully. First, navigate to the crypto section located in the bottom menu of the Revolut application. Within this section, you will find a button labeled Send. Tap this button. From the options presented, select Bitcoin. If you have previously added your Binance wallet address, select it from the list of compatible wallets. If you have not, tap Add Wallet Address to add a new address. You can either manually paste your Binance wallet address, or, for greater convenience, utilize the integrated QR code scanner to scan the QR code of your Binance address. After entering or scanning the correct Binance address, specify the amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer. A send button should now appear. Tap this button. You will be redirected to a confirmation page. Carefully review all transaction details, paying particular attention to the network being used, and ensure all information is accurate. Once you have verified the accuracy of the information, tap Send to confirm and finalize the transfer. If you found this tutorial helpful, we encourage you to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more practical guides. Thank you for watching.